guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And today we're going to be recording a plan with me in my Hobonichi because I love my Hobonichi and we got to keep up with it. So I did make some additions to my planner. I added some stickers that I got at the little craft fest. So I don't know if you can see much of this because of the cover, but I did add the little froggies from Shop ARL, and then I don't think I added anything in the back, but I did add, let me move this out of the way. I added the orbit from the Astros, this Sabrina Carpenter sticker. I also added these right here, this, and let me move this over here. Oop. I didn't want to stick these on permanently, so okay, there. I also added this one. Somebody gave that to me. I got that at the little craft fest. I got all of these there, so cute. And then I added more on here, and I think they look really, really cute. I think they look adorable. So anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and plan for this upcoming week, which is going to be the week of May the 5th through the 11th, which is actually Mother's Day week. Mexican Mother's Day is on May the 10th, and then we celebrate here in the States for May the 11th. My mom and we always do double the celebration, you can say. I always go celebrate with her on May the 10th, give her gift, but still see her on the 11th, like the actual Mother's Day here in the States, just because I need to celebrate both with my mama bear, you know? Anyways, let's go ahead and decorate. Now I actually have plenty of new stickers. I feel like for a while there, I was running pretty low because this is kind of like all I had here, you know? And don't get me wrong, like I could still make it work. There was plenty of stuff that I could work with, but I feel like I was honestly kind of running pretty low on stickers. So the little craft fest was like, in a way, that thing that made me replenish everything. So I have a lot of options this time around. So I don't know, what should we do? There's so many options now. So I'm kind of leaning towards something like this, but then I also have these. I don't want to use these this time. I don't want to use these either, I don't think, but I'm still going to put them off to the side because you don't know. Also, Marielle gave me some stickers, so I have also stickers that she gave me. I'm thinking I want something a little like brighter because last week was very like black and white, and I'm not gonna lie, like I kind of needed a little bit more color. I felt like it was making me a little sad panda. Okay, I'm thinking I'm actually going to use like some of these. I also have this one that I really want to use that I think would look really pretty with this sticker sheet that Marielle gave me, which honestly, I think it may be the move. Yeah, forget anything I said. Apparently, we're not going with the color theme. We're going to go a little bit more muted, which is fine. And I think this is going to look so good together. I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry if you noticed that I repositioned my camera. I'm trying to record for Instagram and TikTok as well. So I wanted to do a little transition video. I just thought it would be nice for me to post on there as well. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna place these all the way around, like kind of no specific way, just no theme really. Now, these stickers that Marielle gave me, they're technically like oopsie stickers, which I always tell her, like, don't throw them away, like they're perfectly fine. So I definitely like need to like work through them a little bit more. But obviously I'm gonna use them, so it's going to take me a little bit, but eventually I'm able to get it, which is awesome. Thinking about putting this one maybe like right here. I think I'm just going to make a theme like going all the way around. I think maybe the best bet. I'm going to have to cut through some of me just like maneuvering through the stickers, which I don't mind doing because it's actually pretty simple to edit on a computer, which is what I mainly use. Thinking mainly do it like that. Oh, I should have lifted this one a little bit. Okay, I like that. And I do like these little dots, these like little X's. Maybe I go this way a little bit, I think would be the plan, the idea. Okay, so thinking something like this over here. I can just cut that part, so that's no big deal. And then I can use some of these little roses to like frame it up a little bit, as well as this little vine, this little like kind of looks like eucalyptus, I guess, right? I think. I'm not sure. I'm not really good with like flowers and stuff. And maybe this one up here to kind of be like opposite of that. I gotta say, I feel like I'm doing pretty decent, and I normally don't do like super like decorative stickers, like just decorative stuff in general like this anymore. Maybe like right there. Okay, I think that's good. Although I think I want to add one of these little flowers over here, but I do have to work this one off a little bit. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to save this one, which is so sad because I want to use them all. Oh no. Wonder if I grab my tweezers, if it'll help. Got it, you guys. Okay. So perfect. Okay, so like that. This is like super decorative compared to like what I normally do, which is so wild. And I'm kind of liking it. I'm enjoying it. So that's fine. Cut these off. And then are there any over there? I think there is. I do have to admit, this is why I don't do super decorative, because I just realized like, oh no, like where am I supposed to write my breakfast, lunch, and dinner? But it's really no big deal because I kind of write the same thing over and over again. So I'm okay with that. Okay, now let's add some of these little cutie knickknacks like that. The little coffee cup, or not coffee cup, this is like a little tea kettle. I love mechanical keyboards. I actually like, I don't know if I've shown you all, but this is like my favorite thing ever. Like, I love it. I switch the keys all the time, the keycaps, and it's just like so fun. I love it. So if you've been thinking about it, I 10 out of 10 recommend. I gotta be honest. This kind of gives me like Taylor Swift vibes. Maybe I should put it like this way. I don't mind covering up like Saturday and Sunday a little bit more because I use them all. Wow, who am I? Wow, okay, perfect. So that is good. Now let me grab my mall liners so we can decorate, so we can like color in whatever we need to color in, because I kind of tend to keep my weeks pretty much the same, but this week I don't know what got into me. Okay, let's look for a highlighter that kind of goes, there's like brown, but then there's also like this type of green. Let's see. There's also, wait, no, that really wouldn't go. No, not at all. I don't know what I was thinking. So I think it's like between these two, right? And I'm kind of leaning more towards the green, unless we like alternate both of them. Let's see. Let me grab a little piece of paper. I like using the back because it's white, so we can kind of see the colors. So yeah, I feel like both would really match. I think there's also another brown color, like this one right here. I think it's the one. Ooh, so like that one would make this pop. And then this one would make that pop. I'm thinking the first two, the green one and this brown one, I think are the ones. So let's do both of them. I think that would be really fun. So we can alternate it. So I like highlighting my work schedule. So I do work from 9 to 5:30, which is 17 and a half in military time. So let's go ahead and highlight that. And then I'm going to skip a day because I'm going to alternate. And let's highlight this one, 9 to 17 and a half. And then let's add it on Friday. Okay, 9 to 17 and a half. Perfect. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the green color. Oh, I think this looks really cute. Okay. 9 to 17 and a half. This is the one that I always struggle with because it's right like on the spine. But it's fine. I try to take the pressure away from like making things perfect. And it's like no big deal. Wait, I kind of like love it. I think that looks really cute. Okay, so also I like writing down my lunch time. So I'm going to alternate again, I think. What do we think? Because when's the last time I alternated like that? I used 2 colors on that day. On that week, I mean. Like this right here. Yeah, I did alternate. Okay. So let's do that really quick. So on Monday, I'm going to use the green. So my lunch is every single day from 1 to 2 o'clock. So that's 13 to 14. Cute. And then let me grab the brown one. Okay, love. Now, I don't know if I have a flower here because I'm trying to dry it up. But I wanted to move it so I can look at my washi. I don't know if there's a washi I would want to use with this because I feel like this is already pretty busy on its own. But I still want to look because you just never know. I think the green one that I have is a little too dark. Not dark. I think it's too bright, actually, is what I meant to say. Now, I do have something like this that I think would fit the vibes a little bit. Or we could just, like, leave it as is. I also do have this black one. I think the black is just too much, honestly. I don't think I have one. Actually, what if I use something like this? Like, it has, like, little gold bows. I think that would be fun. Yeah, I actually really do like that. Now, I know that at the bottom, it's not going to fit my, like, meal stuff that I like writing. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. What if I use the top for my meals? And then since the days that I record or, like, do YouTube stuff is Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, yeah, I think it would actually be fine if I did it at the top. So, with that being said, let's add the washi up here. Yeah, I think I do like that. And then right here. Okay, I think I do like that. So now with that being said, I'm gonna write down breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day, and I'm gonna alternate is the goal. So I think that's gonna be the goal. So this is gonna be, oh, wrong color, already started. Okay, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, and if it's perfect, okay. That's all right. I'm glad we figured something out. I kind of eat the same thing every single day, I gotta be honest. But I still like writing it down for, like, honestly, mainly, like, accountability. So I just like having it there. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna write down breakfast, lunch, dinner, so BLD on every single day. Okay, and then the other thing I'm going to do is outline lunch. I don't know why, I just like doing that. I feel like it makes it stand out a little bit more. So let me go ahead and do that as well. Okay, perfect. I think that works out. Now, I also like highlighting the week that we're on. I don't know why, I just think it like makes it look fun, if I'm being honest. So YouTube, we're gonna put down at the bottom. Now I'm thinking, should I divide out the top from the bottom as well with the washi? I think that would help it. Like, I don't know what I'm trying to do, so whatever. Let's go ahead and add this right here. I think that's cute. I've never done that before. It's so weird. I think that's fine. And then, like right there. Actually, I need to move this over a little bit because I don't want to cover up that sticker. Oh, kind of did the same thing. Like right there. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, actually, kind of, I don't know how I feel about that. Is that like weird a little bit? I mean, I think it looks weird, but at the same time, like, I don't know if I care enough to, like, change it. I guess I'm so used to, like, putting it at the bottom, but at the same time, like, it's no big deal. I don't think I like it. I'm gonna remove it, I think. I don't know what it is. I just, like, felt like it looked weird, if I'm being honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and add my YouTube stuff down here, which is on Tuesday. So I'm gonna write down YouTube and write down record, edit, upload, thumbnail, and post. And then I'm also going to write it down on Thursday, and then I covered up Sunday, so I'm just going to put it on Friday and then just draw an arrow. But I do want to add little squares here so I can check it off. And I did alternate. I don't know. I just thought it looked cool. Okay, so let's write it down on Thursday as well, and then for Sunday. Okay, so I wrote that down. I think it looks good. Now let me add the little squares on here as well. And then with the green, I can add this one. And then I'm gonna draw a little arrow for Sunday. Okay, I think that's good enough. I gotta admit, I feel like this is not my favorite spread, but at the same time, I always try to remind myself that it's just a week. It's no big deal. I think what's throwing me off is how busy it is, and really not even how busy it is. I think it's that every single day for 4 months, I've been putting my breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the bottom. And because I went sticker heavy for the days that I need it mainly, I had to put it at the top, and I feel like that's really throwing me off. But it's just a week. It's no big deal, and I think that's a good reminder for, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to still post it, although I'm not in love with it, because it serves as a reminder that it's just a week. Not every spread is going to be perfect, and we can work through it. And honestly, once it's filled out, it's going to look a lot better, and it's going to be okay. And if I'm being honest, maybe this is the reason why. What if I remove that? Let's try it out. Maybe that's a little bit of what's like throwing me off a little bit more too. But I'm not sure. So let's test it out. I also don't want to tear my paper. Okay, I feel like that's a little bit better. Maybe it was like the washi that was throwing me off. That was like cutting it up, and I don't know, I feel like it didn't look the greatest, but either way, I feel like this is good. It's fine. And again, it's a reminder that not every spread is perfect, and we just got to move forward. It's fine. It's no big deal. But anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Honestly, I have to tell you all, I kind of gave up on the dailies for now. I'm just not really on top of it. I feel like I don't have a lot going on in my life at the moment where it's just not something that I need to keep track of. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you made it this far, comment any flower emoji, any of them. So yeah, anyways, I feel like I'm a little bit all over the place. I think it's because I'm bummed because it didn't turn out the greatest, but it's all right. No big deal. We'll get past it. But with that being said, today is Sunday, and I will see y'all again on Tuesday for a vlog. Love you guys. Bye.